Before talking about the basic accounting equation, I will tell a brief summary of the history of accounting. It has been Accounting is an old subject. It has been there since the Mesopotamian days, the Egyptians when they were counting their crops, their animals, and all of that. But didn't really became a serious subject until Luca Pacioli. Yeah, Luca Pacioli, the father of bookkeeping, I think, introduced double entry bookkeeping in his book. And that's when people started studying this subject. Not really started studying, but taking this subject seriously. So, first we're going to learn about the basic accounting equation. So, the basic accounting equation is A, sorry if it's not straight, equals L plus E. Okay, that's the simple accounting equation. So this A is called assets. Assets is what the company owns. For example, if the company has 50,000 cash, that means their assets have 50,000 cash on it. The L is called liabilities, and in, that's what the company owes instead of owns. So the asset, that's what the company owns, and the liabilities, that's what the company owes. Okay, then the last letter, E, that is equity. That's what equity equals assets minus the liability of the company. So in other words, that's the percentage that the owner owns in the company. I'll explain it in Excel so it would be easier. Okay, for example, ABC company. Uh, to start, the owner wanted to invest 50,000, or rather 100,000 pesos to ABC company. To start it up, because the owner was the one who invested 100,000 pesos in the company. That means that's his share in the company, 100,000. Okay, now uh, this is the capital of ABC company now, 100,000. So he wanted to start a company, and he used 100,000 pesos of his own money to start this company, meaning he owned 100,000 of the company. Example for liability: the company wanted to borrow money, let's say 50,000, from someone. That means they owe 50,000 to another person or another company. So the liability is so the company gained 50,000 pesos, and at the same time it owed 50,000 pesos to another company too. This whole thing, they are called journal entries. That's what accounting is for, to record these type of things. And it should be balanced. As you can see, 100,000 here, 100,000 there, 50,000 here, 50,000 there. So let's compute A equals L plus E. So the assets, it gained both 100,000 and 50,000, right? So that means it's equal to the total assets of the company equals 100,000 plus 50,000. And then, so assets, going back to the assets equals liability plus equity. So the liability is 50,000. 50,000 plus the equity, which is 100,000. So they're equal because that's what the record says. So everything's supposed to be equal, left, right, left, right. That's the basic accounting equation. Thank you. The references I used in this video is in the description below. So check it out there.